guys, nakalagpas na kami ng immigration. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Mexico again. But nasa Cancun kami. And yun guys, for 5 days or 6 days ba tayo dito?
6 days.
Yeah, 6 days. Magbabakasyon lang together sa family namin. And ayun, ipapasyal namin kayo sa Cancun sa Beach Palace, right? Or
Malito.
Playa.
Playa Car.
Playa Car.
Playa del Carmen from Stay.
Yeah.
So, pakita mo yung
So nandito yung airport palabas. Maraming, para din siya Pilipinas din. Pero maayos siya.
Kasi maayos.
Yeah. Galing umulan dito eh. Kaya basa yung daan. So yun guys, update ko kayo sa aming call-off. Bye! Bye!
Good. How is it? How's your drink?
Oh, it smells good.
It's for the vlog.
Cheers!
Okay, Tindon.
That's good?
Every time they do that,
Thank
I feel
you.
like I need a mask.
So we're here now at Sweet and Coffee. Ito yung mga nila.
Tartar di queso.
Sarap.
Tartar di queso. Yes.
Hi guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa resort. Yan, ang ganda-ganda dito, my God. Look. Ang ganda ng Mexico. Yan. May maraming naliligo. So ito yung wristband ng VIP. Yan. Sana all VIP black. So kagalang-galang po kami dito.
Yun ang bar.
Yun yung bar.
Bar.
Yan.
Wet bar.
Yan. Eh, may rainbow pala ba? Look. Nandun, sa gilid. Sa ano mo? Likod mo. Yeah. May rainbow. So, this is our room. 247. So, buksan mo na.
Ito ang key.
Yeah. At nagka-margarita pa. Yan. Wow!
Welcome to... Oh, yan na yung luggage natin.
Wow! At saka may... Mahal.
May tao. Kasi ito, bukas.
Wow! At least meron tayo ditong
A little bit.
A little view ng beach. Yeah.
And wine.
May pa-wine.
Sa atin yung luggage.
Ito na yung ano namin. Honeymoon. Wow!
Ano yung banyo?
Yung banyo. Wow, ganda.
Ay, sorry.
So ito na yung room.
Ito na. I'll be back.
Ayun guys, naka-prepare talaga. Naka-prepare na for our dinner tonight. And also, ayun, na yung mga damit namin na ano na.
Ayos na namin.
Naayos na namin at saka nakapag-plansya na and everything. Ayun yung makalat pa konti. So, punta kami na yun sa saan ba tayo? Magdi-dinner?
Buffet. Something.
Yeah.
Wala, buffet lang siya kasi late na kami dumating.
Hindi ba kapag
Bukas na kami mag-seafood or
Yes.
yung parang Yucatan.
Yan. Ito yung outfit namin. Oh, yan. So guys, ipakita ko kayo sa inyo yung mga pagkain ng dito. Pagkain dito ng masarap. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Ang init.
Come on!
Nandito na yun mga ano.
Ready to drink!
Ready na kami mag-drink pero kain muna. Oh, ito pa na yung spa.
Kaya nakabilang na rin.
Sa tabi na pala. Yung spa kami bukas. Oops, wait lang. Gutom na rin kami. Ay, paki-flex nga yung ano, yung damit. Pak. O, ano sabi mo sa damit na ang English pala?
Delicious, very.
Ayan. Dito kami kakain sa Del Mar. That's your favorite ice cream? Cookies and cream? Okay, love. You. Go.
We have different types of this.
Wow! So, gawa mo ba to? Ito yung mga dessert. Yan. Sarap-sarap. Ito yung mga ice cream. Ice cream ba to? Mga
Ice drop.
popsicle. Popsicle! Saka yung mga salad. Yan. What? Ha?
Cornbread yata.
I think so. Wala bang name?
Ayan, cornbread.
Yeah, cornbread. Oh my God, sarap. Delicious. So, after our dinner,
Siyempre, ang
dessert na naman. Tapos na kami nag-dinner, so
Hello.
ito.
What do you want?
This one. She start, yeah, one. And you. What do you want?
Okay. And also, can I try
Thank you.
your...
Yeah! Michael Jackson! Galing! Galing nila! Cheers!
Cheers.
It's good, it's good.
Mmm.
You didn't like it?
Okay, one more. Cheers! Cheers!
Weapon? No.
good. Passion fruit.
I think
My-
another one. Yeah.
My first is passion fruit and then watermelon.
How was it?
Yeah.
This is the third.
Good.
Me gustó mejor el de passion fruit.
These are last. So cheers. Ultimo ono mas. Papacito.
Ahorita me
Mi amor. Papacito, mi amor. Canto. I don't know what. El canto mi. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, cheers. It's good.
El de
Passion fruit.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, we know what to order. The passion
I
fruit.
like this one too.
This one's good
But
too.
passion fruit.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
2 p.m. It's actually been good. It's good, right?
Yeah. It's very sweet.
Excuse me.
There's a lot of last here.
There's a lot of
Last one.
Last one. Cheers. Cheers. No,
You didn't try it. You didn't try it. Finish it. You have
like
to take
Baileys.
I know. Take it. Take it all at the same time.
It's good. It's creamy.
Take it all together. All together. All together. Yeah. Just drink it.
Yeah.
It's good.
Chocolate.
You have to drink it together.
Mm.
It's like after.
Yeah, there's after. Yeah. There's the aftertaste. There's the aftertaste, but it's good.
Tell him. Are you trying to kill us?
Because he told me you drove that one.
Ayan guys, natapos na din yung gabi. Mag-talk ka.
Alright, that's Kim, our
This is our team, our queen.
queen of shots.
Yeah, winner.
Mi amor, my
Our mi amor. Okay, so ayun. Dala lang kami ng tubig sa room namin kasi ba kala ko na walang tubig so marami palang tubig sa room.
Alright, we'll meet you in a bit.
Yeah.
We'll text you.
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah. Where's our room, love? Oh my God, ang ganda naman dito. Open pala siya.
Good night.
Wait lang, nandito pala yung room namin. So,
Ito yung drinks natin.
Anyway.
Yan muna yung rest natin. Pakita mo.
oh, we have a lot of water. Wow. Mainam natin yan? Mainam natin yan?
Yes.
Wow.
Kapagkaan siya.
May pagkain pa. Ito pa yung tubig namin. Ilagay ko sa ano lang. Gusto ko ng... Saan yung ref natin? Ito. Okay. Oh,
Atin din yan.
pwede din natin yan mainom.
Tubig na rin.
Oh my God, marami palang tubig. Bye, good night na. Please like, share. Ikaw naman magsabi. Ako magsabi. Go!
Please like, ano ulit?
Share.
Share and
Subscribe.
subscribe daw.
No! Wait! Bye!
Bye.
Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo sa aming... Anong tawag dito na beach?
Playa car.
Playa Car dito sa Mexico. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Go!